YouTube Creator Studio Walkthrough. Awesome. So now you have your own YouTube channels, and you are preparing to show your new marketing videos to the world over. And you would greatly benefit from knowing how to use your channel's dashboard so you can master its video sharing features from the get-go. To go to your YouTube Creator Studio, click on your account icon on the top right corner, and click on Creator Studio while logged in to your YouTube channel. You will be taken to your Creator Studio dashboard, where you will have a quick view of your videos and analytics. You will also have access to tips for your channel, to recent comments made on your channel, and to news related to your channel and your video content. You can edit the way in which this information is featured on your channel by using the Add Widget button. Let's now look at the tabs on the left side menu from top to bottom. First is the Video Manager tab, where you will have access to your videos and to your playlist. In the Video section, you can check and manage all your uploaded videos. You can use the Edit menu on each of your videos to configure them in detail. You can use it to edit stuff such as info and settings, enhancements, and audio, among other things. You can edit privacy and license settings as well as do bulk delete videos by selecting videos from your list and using the Actions menu. You can add videos to a playback list by using the Add To button. Let's now check the Playlist section. In this section, you will find your video playlists, which you can create by using the New Playlist button. The Live Streaming tab is where you will be able to set up live video sessions on the YouTube platform. You will have two live streaming options available on this tab: Stream Now and Events, and we will explain them in greater detail on a following video. In the Community tab, you will be able to check and manage your community comments and messages, to see who your public subscribers are, to configure community settings that include automate filters, moderator settings, user settings, content blocking settings, and to edit default comment settings. Lastly, the Credit section will give you access to a list of videos where you've been credited. These videos will be arranged by pending videos, published videos, removed videos, and videos marked as spam. In the Channel tab, you will be able to find everything about your YouTube channel. The first section, the Status and Features section, will show you the status of your YouTube channel, as well as all the active features available to your channel, such as monetization and live streaming. In the Upload Default section, you will be able to manage your video upload settings, which will allow you to set default values for each one of your uploads, such as default privacy, category, license, title, description, tags, comments, ratings, language, and locations, among others. In the Featured Content section, you will be able to set a featured video or playlist to be featured across all your videos and a channel ad, which will allow you to make one of your videos eligible to be promoted to YouTube viewers. The Branding section will allow you to insert a watermark to brand the videos in your channel with a watermark overlay by using the Add a Watermark button. Always remember to only use transparencies and one-color images for your watermarks. Lastly, in the Advanced section, you can configure advanced level channel settings that include account information, such as channel keywords, advertisement settings, AdWords account linking settings, to connect your channel with an AdWords account for advertisement purposes, channel recommendations, subscriber counts, and Google Analytics property tracking. Let's now take a look at the Analytics tab. Here you will find overview and real-time reports of the performance of your videos on the platform. You can use the Comparison button to select Performance Analytics to compare for specific videos. And you can use the Settings button to set a time period, a frequency for charts and tables, as well as a unit for measuring watch time in which to showcase your analytics. This tab will also allow you to get very specific analytics for each interaction that can be measured on your videos, including watch time, audience retention, demographics, playback locations, and traffic sources, among many others. The Translations and Transcriptions tab will allow you to check the status of community contributions for videos from your channel, which are contributions that other YouTube users provide to your channels, such as translation of titles, descriptions, and captions to different languages. Here, you will be able to select a default language for your videos, so contributors know what language they are going to target when they generate contributions. The contributions under Review are featured in the In Review tab, and uploaded contributions are featured in the Publish tab. In the Create tab, you will be able to find an audio library, with free music and sound effects that you can add to your videos. A music policies section where you can check the current policies attached to certain songs in YouTube, so you know how to manage popular songs on your channel. And a video editor where you can edit your uploaded videos, to remix Creative Commons videos, to add photos to your videos, to search the audio tracks for your videos, as well as to add transitions and titles to your edited videos. The last tab on your Creator Studio dashboard is Your Contributions. From here, you will be able to check and manage your community contributions on the Submissions tab, community contributions that haven't been submitted yet on the Drafts tab, and a list of videos requiring contributions in the Contribute tab. As you can see, the Creator Studio dashboard gives you access to a lot more features than you thought that YouTube had, and we encourage you to keep trying them to master the platform.